Shalom everyone, Adonai Oz le'amo yiten, and with that strength, Adonai yevarech et amo v'shalom. Parashat B'midbar and Chag Shavuot Tafshin. Let's make a distinction about the 5 Chumashim of the Torah. Bereshit, Shmot and B'midbar have a process, a journey, there's a lot happening, and we have to go through that journey, and there's a lot of action. Vaikra and Dvarim, not a lot is happening. We're sitting in one place, we're studying Torah, we're contemplating, there's a sense of stability. In our lives as individuals and as Am Yisrael, there are different kinds of times. There are times where there's stability, and there are times where there is intensity. Sefer B'midbar is a time of intensity. Finally, we are continuing the journey to Eretz Yisrael. There's a great crisis, 40 years in the desert, and then we continue the journey until we reach near our destination of Eretz Yisrael. Actually, Sfirat HaOmer is also about a journey. We came out of Mitzrayim. Our goal is to get to Eretz Yisrael with the Torah, but we haven't gotten there yet. We make a stop on the way. We reach Chag Shavuot, and we stop to contemplate about our journey. And even if it doesn't say in the Torah that Shavuot is the day of Matan Torah, and there aren't any specific mitzvot to carry out, to perform on Chag Shavuot, the right thing to do about Chag Shavuot is to fill it with Torah. We are at a certain stop on our journey. It's time to contemplate and think about our journey, and the right way to do that is through the Torah. The Torah is also what guides us in the times of intensity and the process and the journey. We have to be able to deal with the difficulties, with the challenges, sometimes very great challenges in our journey. In any case, whether we're in the intensity of the journey or on days of stability and contemplation, the Torah is what guides us along the way. In the last 2 years that we are still in the midst of them, we are in a very strong intensity, process, challenges, crisis, very strong challenges for individuals, for families, for sure, for Am Yisrael, great challenges. And before that, we had some times of stability, and now we are yearning for a time of stability. We have to grow during the time of the crisis and the challenges and the journey with the Torah guiding us to how we should walk, how we should move forward and deal with these great challenges that we are in this journey of this very intense time in the history of Am Yisrael and Medinat Yisrael. At the same time, we know that we have ahead of us times of stability, Be'ezrat Hashem, during which we will be able to strengthen ourselves and have the Torah guiding us during the crisis and the journey, and guide us to deepen our understanding of life and our journey in the times of stability. So this is true both about the Torah and about Sefer B'midbar and about Sfirat HaOmer and the different kinds of times that we're living in today. In Tehillim, in Mizmor Shir Liyom HaShabbat, we have the pasuk Le'agid Ba'boker Chasdecha Ve'emunatcha Bareilot. In our lives, there are times of daylight, everything is clear, everything is chesed, and there are times of darkness like night, Laila, and we need their emunah, faith, to pull us through. Shouldn't it be the other way around? First, Le'agid Ba'layla emunatecha, and then Ba'boker Chasdecha, after the challenges and the difficulties, we will reach the daylight and the chesed. That is one aspect of our reality. But there is also another aspect, that sometimes there are times of stability, of daylight, of chesed, and during those times we need to study and to gain strength, because ahead of us there will still be other times of darkness where we need our faith and our emunah. In both kinds of times, we have the Torah to guide us, we have the faith, the emunah, to pull us through the difficult times, and we have the Torah and the emunah to strengthen us, to rebuild ourselves, to grow in the times of stability, because there will be other challenges ahead. In all different times, we strengthen ourselves, and even if we reach a certain stop on the journey towards our destination, like Shavuot, like Eretz Yisrael, it doesn't mean we've reached our full goal. The full goal is only when the whole world will reach its perfect tikkun. Until then, in the different kinds of times, we gain strength and prepare ourselves for other aspects that we will have in our lives as individuals and as Am Yisrael, and prepare for the future. And for now, Shabbat Shalom and Chag Sameach.